So here is my simple trading strategy that works well for me. I believe it should work for so many other traders if they can learn how to use it. It's solely based on price action. There are no indicators added, as you can see on my chart. It's all about looking for momentum exhaustion or reversals. So when you come to a certain market and you find out that the market is making higher highs and higher lows, there is an upward trend. So you should be looking for price exhaustion or momentum exhaustion. You're looking for a point where the strength of the bulls seem to be weakening. They cannot make higher high again. The bears are now coming in, forcing the market to now begin to change structure and begin to make a lower low. In that case, that is where I'll begin to get interested in the market, because at that point when you begin to see momentum exhaustion and change in market structure, that will offer you a great potential in whatever trade that you take at that point. So I've zoomed in so that you understand what I'm trying to say. So from here we see that this market has been making higher highs and higher lows until this very point where we are now. So this was the highest high that we had at this point after this series of upward move. Okay, so now that we have this very peak at this point, my attention is drawn to the fact that if the bullish momentum is still very strong, we expected to see a new high that is higher than this previous high. That is what should have happened. So however, at this point, instead of getting a higher high, we got a lower high. That is to tell us that the bullish momentum is fading or is weakening. In that case, I need a confirmation to tell me that the bearish momentum is also increasing just as the bullish momentum is decreasing, because it's one thing for bullish momentum to decrease or weaken, but the bearish momentum is not increasing. In that case, you can do nothing, because it's just a kind of a pause in the movement. After that pause, you will see price skyrocket again. So I really want to see that the bullish momentum is weakening and simultaneously the bearish momentum is increasing. So what do I do at that point? I need to wait to confirm a new low to get a lower low. There is a low that is lower than this very most recent low. So I will expand a little so that we see that right now the price is testing that very low. However, we need to wait for the price, the candlestick, to close below this point and still drop a little, maybe drop to somewhere around this area. That will give us a confirmed break of this very point, this very region. So once we get that very confirmed break and an established low that is lower than this most recent low, that shows us that the bearish momentum has increased or is now higher than that of the bullish momentum. So we know we are going short. And when you look at it, you find out that that establishes a double top. The initial target will be the height of this pattern from this top to this neck region. So when you use your crosshair and place your crosshair at this point in your MetaTrader 5, so when you place your crosshair here, you can hold it and drag it to the neck region. So when you drag it to this most recent low, so you're getting about 55.3 pips. So here is it here, 65 pips, 3 pipettes. So that is the distance we measure to the downside. So when we take it to the downside, your initial target will be at this point 0.65829. That is about 65 pips. So that's the high, that's the initial target. Once this price breaks this area, the first thing I need to do is to be calm and patient and wait for price to move back into this very area. That will give me a good risk-reward ratio, because I need my risk-reward ratio to be at least 1:2. So I'll patiently wait for the price to come down here. Then after we get that confirmed new low, we need to see price move back up into these very areas to clear some liquidity there. Then from there, I look for a short opportunity down to this very initial target where we know we are heading to. So that is a simple strategy that I always use, and it doesn't need any indicator. All you need is just simple understanding of price action. If it works for you, please leave a comment in the comment section, and if you have questions, still leave a comment in the comment section. I would love to attend to your questions. Thank you for watching, and do have a great day.